Friends, this is Kaushal Kishore. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program, which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative, and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Past simple or indefinite tense, Samanya Bhutkal. What is past tense or indefinite tense? In this part, we study about work finished in past time in simple way is called past simple tense. इस भाग में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि काम भूतकाल में सामान्य रूप से होता था, उसे सामान्य भूतकाल कहते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, पहचान, गया, गई, गए इत्यादि. Chart of person and number. First person प्रथम व्यक्ति. Singular number एकवचन. I, मैं, I went to the market. Plural number बहुवचन. We, हम लोग, we went to the market, हम बाजार गए. Second person द्वितीय व्यक्ति. You or your, तुम और तुम्हारा. You went to the market. Plural number you or your, तुम लोग या आप लोग. You went to the market. तुम बाजार गए. Third person तृतीय व्यक्ति. Singular number he वह male, she वह female, it यह little, this near यह, that far यह, name नाम went to the market. Plural number बहुवचन. They वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग, went to the market. Structure of sentence वाक्य रचना. Subject plus V2 plus OC, I plus went plus to the market. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus OC, I plus did plus not plus go plus to the market. Did plus sub plus V1 plus OC, did plus I plus go plus to the market. Did plus subject plus not plus V1 plus OC, did plus I plus not plus go plus to the market. How plus did plus subject plus V1 plus OC, how plus did plus I plus go plus to the market. How plus did plus sub plus not plus V1 plus OC, how plus did plus I plus not plus go plus to the market. English and Hindi translation. 1. I went to the market. मैं बाजार गया. I did not go to the market. मैं बाजार नहीं गया. Did I go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार गया? Did I not go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार नहीं गया? How did I go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे गया? How did I not go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 2. We went to the market. हम बाजार गए. We did not go to the market. हम बाजार नहीं गए. Did we go to the market? क्या हम बाजार गए? Did we not go to the market? क्या हम बाजार नहीं गए? How did we go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे गए? How did we not go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 3. You went to the market. तुम बाजार गए. You did not go to the market. तुम बाजार नहीं गए. Did you go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार गए? Did you not go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार नहीं गए? How did you go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे गए? How did you not go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 4. He went to the market. वह बाजार गया. He did not go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं गया. Did he go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गया? Did he not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गया? How did he go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गया? How did he not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 5. She went to the market. वह बाजार गई. She did not go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं गई. Did she go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गई? Did she not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गई? How did she go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गई? How did she not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गई? 6. It went to the market, add name or situation. यह बाजार गया, add name or situation. It did not go to the market, यह बाजार नहीं गया. Did it go to the market? क्या यह बाजार गया? Did it not go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं गया? How did it go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे गया? How did it not go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 7. This went to the market, add name or situation. यह बाजार गया, add name or situation. This did not go to the market, यह बाजार नहीं गया. Did this go to the market? क्या यह बाजार गया? Did this not go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं गया? How did this go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे गया? How did this not go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 8. That went to the market, add name or situation. वह बाजार गया, add name or situation. That did not go to the market, वह बाजार नहीं गया. Did that go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गया? Did that not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गया? How did that go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गया? How did that not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 9. Ramesh went to the market, add name or situation. Ramesh बाजार गया, add name or situation. Ramesh did not go to the market, Ramesh बाजार नहीं गया. Did Ramesh go to the market? क्या रमेश बाजार गया? Did Ramesh not go to the market? क्या रमेश बाजार नहीं गया? How did Ramesh go to the market? रमेश बाजार कैसे गया? How did Ramesh not go to the market? रमेश बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 10. They went to the market, वे बाजार गए, you can use वे और वे लोग. They did not go to the market, वे बाजार नहीं गए. Did they go to the market? क्या वे बाजार गए? Did they not go to the market? क्या वे बाजार नहीं गए? How did they go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे गए? How did they not go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 11. These went to the market. ये सब बाजार गए. You can use ये और ये लोग. These did not go to the market. ये सब बाजार नहीं गए. Did these go to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार गए? Did these not go to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार नहीं गए? How did these go to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे गए? How did these not go to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 12. Those went to the market. वो सब बाजार गए. You can use वो और वो लोग. Those did not go to the market. वो सब बाजार नहीं गए. Did those go to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार गए? Did those not go to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार नहीं गए? How did those go to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे गए? How did those not go to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? Mouth translation. Do practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences. Do practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मैंने खाया था. I ate. सीता गई. सीता went. बच्चे गए. The children went. आग लगी. A fire broke out. मैं स्कूल गया. I went to school. वह मेरे पास आया. He came to me. सीता ने रोटी खाई. सीता ate bread. उसने एक पक्षी मारा. He killed a bird. राम ने मुझे एक पुस्तक दी. राम gave me a book. राम ने सुग्रीव की मदद की. राम helped सुग्रीव. Past continuous or imperfect tense, apurna bhutkal. What is past continuous or imperfect tense? In this part we study about work was finishing in past time in a continuous way is called past continuous or imperfect tense. इस भाग में हम पढ़ते हैं कि काम भूतकाल में इन कंटिन्यूस वे यानी लगातार रूप से समाप्त हो रहा था, उसे अपूर्ण भूतकाल कहते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन पहचान, रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी इत्यादि. चार्ट ऑफ पर्सन एंड नंबर. पर्सन व्यक्ति सिंगुलर नंबर एक वचन, प्लूरल नंबर बहुवचन. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रथम व्यक्ति सिंगुलर नंबर. आई मैं वॉज गोइंग. I was going to the market. मैं बाजार जा रहा था. Plural number we हम लोग were going. We were going to the market. हम बाजार जा रहे थे. Second person द्वितीय व्यक्ति. Singular number you your तुम या तुम्हारा were going. You were going to the market. तुम बाजार जा रहे थे. Plural number you or your तुम लोग या आप लोग were going. You were going to the market. तुम बाजार जा रहे थे. Third person तृतीय व्यक्ति. He वह male, she वह female, it यह little, this near यह, that far यह, name नाम was going to the market. Plural number they वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग were going to the market. Structure of sentence वाक्य रचना. Subject plus was or were plus we for plus OC. I plus was plus going plus to the market. Subject plus was or were plus not plus we for plus OC. I plus was plus not plus going plus to the market. Was or were plus subject plus we for plus OC. Was plus I plus going plus to the market. Was or were plus subject plus not plus we for plus OC. Was plus I plus not plus going plus to the market. HW plus was or were plus subject plus we for plus OC. How plus was plus I plus going plus to the market. HW plus was or were plus subject plus not plus we for plus OC. How plus was plus I plus not plus going plus to the market. English and Hindi translation. 1. I was going to the market. मैं बाजार जा रहा था. I was not going to the market. मैं बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was I going to the market? क्या मैं बाजार जा रहा था? Was I not going to the market? क्या मैं बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was I going to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे जा रहा था? How was I not going to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 2. We were going to the market. हम बाजार जा रहे थे. We were not going to the market. हम बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे. Were we going to the market? क्या हम बाजार जा रहे थे? Were we not going to the market? क्या हम बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे? How were we going to the market? हम बाजार कैसे जा रहे थे? How were we not going to the market? हम बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहे थे? 3. You were going to the market. तुम बाजार जा रहे थे. You were not going to the market. तुम बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे. Were you going to the market? क्या तुम बाजार जा रहे थे? Were you not going to the market? क्या तुम बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे? How were you going to the market? तुम बाजार जा रहे थे. How were you not going to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहे थे? 4. He was going to the market. वह बाजार जा रहा था. He was not going to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was he going to the market? क्या वह बाजार जा रहा था? Was he not going to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was he going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जा रहा था? How was he not going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 5. She was going to the market. वह बाजार जा रही थी. She was not going to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जा रही थी. Was she going to the market? क्या वह बाजार जा रही थी? Was she not going to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा रही थी? How was she going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जा रही थी? How was she not going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रही थी? 6. It was going to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार जा रहा था. Add name or situation. It was not going to the market. यह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was it going to the market? क्या यह बाजार जा रहा था? Was it not going to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was it going to the market? यह बाजार कैसे जा रहा था? How was it not going to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 7. This was going to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार जा रहा था. Had name or situation. This was not going to the market. यह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was this going to the market? क्या यह बाजार जा रहा था? Was this not going to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was this going to the market? यह बाजार कैसे जा रहा था? How was this not going to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 8. That was going to the market. Add name or situation. वह बाजार जा रहा था. Add name or situation. That was not going to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was that going to the market? क्या वह बाजार जा रहा था? Was that not going to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was that going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जा रहे थे? How was I not going to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 9. Ram was going to the market. Add name or situation. Ram बाजार जा रहा था. Add name or situation. Ram was not going to the market. Ram बाजार नहीं जा रहा था. Was Ram going to the market? क्या राम बाजार जा रहा था? Was Ram not going to the market? क्या राम बाजार नहीं जा रहा था? How was Ram going to the market? राम बाजार कैसे जा रहा था? How was Ram not going to the market? राम बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहा था? 10. They were going to the market. वे बाजार जा रहे थे. You can use वे और वे लोग. They were not going to the market. वे बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे. Were they going to the market? क्या वे बाजार जा रहे थे? Were they not going to the market? क्या वे बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे? How were they going to the market? वे बाजार कैसे जा रहे थे? How were they not going to the market? वे बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहे थे? These were going to the market. ये सब बाजार जा रहे थे. You can use ये और ये लोग. These were not going to the market. ये सब बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे. Were these going to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार जा रहे थे? Were these not going to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे? How were these going to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे जा रहे थे? How were these not going to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहे थे? 12. Those were going to the market. वो सब बाजार जा रहे थे. You can use वो और वो लोग. Those were not going to the market. वो सब बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे. Were those going to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार जा रहे थे? Were those not going to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार नहीं जा रहे थे? How were those going to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे जा रहे थे? How were those not going to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे नहीं जा रहे थे? Mouth translation to practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences to practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मैं अपना काम कर रहा था. I was doing my work. हम लोग उपन्यास पढ़ रहे थे. We were reading novels. तुम मैदान में खेल रहे थे. You were playing in the field. वह गायों को खिला रहा था. He was feeding the cows. वह मधुर गीत गा रही थी. She was singing a sweet song. सत्यजीत विज्ञान पढ़ रहा था. सत्यजीत was reading science. सोनू और शिवम बात कर रहे थे. सोनू and शिवम were talking. राम की माँ भोजन बना रही थी. Ram's mother was cooking. सत्यजीत झूठ नहीं बोल रहा था. सत्यजीत was not telling a lie. मेरा नौकर गायों को पानी नहीं पिला रहा था. My servant was not drenching the cow. मेरे गांव के लोग नहीं झगड़ रहे थे. The people of my village were not quarreling. वे लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not doing anything.